Hey beauties, it's Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brands. Today's video is finally my Ipsy Glam Bag X. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet, and share the video out if you enjoy the content. Give the video a big thumbs up. Also, there's that little blue join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member for exclusive perks. Thank you to my channel members. We are going to dive right on in, but before I do, I like to show this little gadget pretty much every unboxing because so often I see with other unboxings that I watch, people have their information blurred out, taped over, the box is cut up, whatever the case may be. This little gadget is called Guard Your ID. This is the jumbo one, and I also have a smaller one. I've been using these for years. I purchased them many years ago through QVC, and I originally got them to use for credit card bills, statements, things like that, and now I use them for my unboxings. So as you can see, my address is covered up, and you can still see Ipsy's address. You literally take this, and you roll it across whatever you are trying to cover up. It's just an easy, affordable, effective way to protect your identity. They don't know I exist or anything like that. I like it. And it's something super practical that we could all use. If you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy Glam Bag X, this is a quarterly addition to your standard Ipsy Glam Bag, and it is $55, and it is always curated by a different influencer, celebrity, etc. This time around, it's through Addison Rae. I don't know who she is. I do know that she does Item Beauty, and I love the products from her that I've tried, but yeah, I don't have a clue who she is, so I'm very sorry. Also, y'all know I don't get spoilers ever. I just like to be surprised. I have watched 2 unboxings of this particular box, and I was not impressed, and neither were the 2 of you that I watched. So I'm a little nervous, and and y'all know I tell it like it is over here, and we're brutally honest. So if this box sucks and it's a pile of garbage, I'm gonna let you know that it's a pile of garbage, especially for $55. Also, I am sans makeup so that we can try on products in here if there's anything for us to try on. And this is coming to me incredibly late. Today's already the 24th. I've already filmed my other Ipsy try-on because I was waiting on this to come. And y'all wanted to see the Persephone palette. So this is going to be coming in the next couple of days. I already pre-filmed that, but I'll try out what we have in the box if we can. I don't know why these boxes keep coming later and later and later. Anyways. So it always comes like this. There's a little piece of foam in here to hopefully protect everything. And right on top, I see a Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. It is cruelty-free. I love lip products. I love lip masks and lip treatments, if y'all know. So we'll test this out real quick, and I'll wear it through the duration of the video. I really like the packaging. Okay, cool. I like this. Let me wipe off the gloss I already have on, which happens to be the Item Beauty gloss. I really like it. So this says, melt in hydration and gentle exfoliation for plumper, softer lips, and then apply to your lips daily. And I mean, it's kind of common sense. I want to see how thick it is. It seems incredibly thick because I can't even get it out. Okay, yeah, very dense. So we'll put some on. I like a thicker texture, kind of like this, especially for like an overnight treatment. So it is definitely thicker. It has a little bit of a kind of a grip to it. Definitely more emollient. All right, so far so good. We'll see how we feel towards the end of the video. Next up, I see an MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex Serum. I'm currently using the Dermalect one, so I'm not going to open this to the air right now. I definitely try to not be wasteful. Next up is an Act and Acre plant-based dry shampoo. Not my favorite. I have really short hair and my hair is all natural, so I don't really need something like this right now. And I still have a full bottle of my favorite dry shampoo, which is Hask. So if and when I need one, I'll use that, but not a bad thing to have. This is, ooh, Tula. I love Tula. This is the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. I'm pretty sure I've seen the couple people get this as well that I did watch. I am in the middle of using up my Juvia Skin one, so I will not be using this, but I don't mind having this. All right. Next up is Generation Skin Brightening Kakadu Plum Eye Patches. That sounds nice. I actually do eye patches pretty much every single time that I film. I come in here, I kind of set out all the product I'm going to be using for my filming. I put in my Lumify eye drops and I put eye patches underneath. Okay, we'll test these out too. Oh, I love the packaging. It feels quite heavy too. It feels very, very nice. It does have the little skincare spatula and the pull tab. I love when they do that. Ease of use. I wasn't expecting them to be purple. Cool. They're very, very slick, which I actually prefer. All right. Nice and cooling. Most are. And a little bit larger too. I feel like most of the ones that I use aren't quite that big. Okay. Okay. Well, hey, at least I matched. Look, it was meant to be, y'all. All right, let me seal this back up well. Oh, we got a couple Item Beauty things. We have the Item Beauty Ruled By a lip gloss. There's 2 in here, which is pretty cool, in the shades Moon and Sun. Awesome. And the lip oil that I have is the Lip Quip, a lip oil in Come Through Love. Standout product. It's amazing. I think I'll open up, let's try Moon today. So we have Moon and Sun. I want to speak to her packaging. I really love this idea that it's a little pull tab. And she is vegan and cruelty free. I love this. I love it. Her whole aesthetic, I think, is really nice. It's a fat little lip gloss, y'all. We're going to take the balm off. So if I really like it, it has like a nice grip to it. I really love the packaging on this. Oh yes, big gigantic doe foot, which I love. Oh, and it smells like yummy candy. Oh, very nice. Non-sticky, love the applicator. I don't feel like it's gonna have a whole lot, I don't feel like it has a whole lot of hold or grip, so I don't know how long lasting it's going to be, but I'm happy to have this. I'm happy to have both of these, y'all. This mask is trying to abort mission, I guess. Next is, I wanted to try something from Saie. This is the Saie Mascara 101 Thick, Bold, Lifted Lashes. I will test this out in just a moment. And then last but not least is the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. And you guys, if you've been here, you know I'm a fan of Juvia's Place. I think especially for the price point, their formula it's phenomenal. I do want to open this up and just kind of see what it looks like. I will not demo this for you guys because, well, I mean, I've already tested them and I love their products. It's definitely leaning quite neutral. I have plenty of palettes like this. So I'll stick this right back in the box and we're going to put this in our pay it forward pile. I'm going to test out this mascara really quickly and then we'll go over some deets. The eye patch is just trying to run away. All right, quite simple. Feels kind of cheaper, lightweight packaging. I don't mind that. It's about the products inside. Let me get my mirror a little closer. Hopefully it's the kind of wand that I love. I can already tell that it is a drier formula. It's not kind of super squishy and liquidy coming out. Not my favorite type. Not my favorite type of wand. I will typically use these, if I do use these, in conjunction with a thick, fluffy wand. I do like the top part here. You kind of hold it down, hold it out like this, and go in this way. So I will try this really quick. Always go to the bottom of my lashes first, get really close to the lash line, and then pull up and kind of wiggle my way up. I do the same thing to the top of my lashes. And if you have shadow on, this is a really good way to kind of take away any powderiness in your lashes. And I'll do a quick coat. All right, that is one coat. I will also note that it smells pretty nice. It doesn't smell super chemically or overwhelming. I like it. I really love it for the bottom lashes, especially with the ball, especially with the little ball on the end. I actually used to use an IT Cosmetics mascara years ago that was like that. I just like a little bit more I just like a little bit more kind of lift and curl, if you will, but it's not a bad mascara at all. I'll do this side. I'll BRB. All right, beauties, we are back. It's just okay. It's not my favorite, but y'all know I don't use lashes, so I'm very, very particular about my mascaras. Not a bad product at all. It's just not my all-time favorite, but I will use it up and I will use it in conjunction with some of my other mascaras. Let's quickly run down what we got in our box. I really like the balance between hair, skin, makeup, etc. So we did get our MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth. We got our Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. We got our Act and Acre Plant-Based Dry Shampoo. We got our Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly. So far, so good on that. We got our Say Mascara. We got our Generation Skin Eye Patches. I love the packaging on this. We got a palette from Juvia's Place. And then we also got 2 of the Addison Rae Item Beauty Ruled by Lip Glosses. We got Sun and Moon. I really love this formula a whole lot. So we got all these makeup products and then a hair product and a few skin products. I personally like my box. I don't know, only based on the fact that I know Juvia's Place palettes, they can be on sale sometimes for as little as $6 to $8. I'm not quite sure how much the Item Beauty glosses are, but these are not things that I would just kind of say, hey, I need to go buy this and go buy it. Is the box worth $55? Yes. Do I feel like I'm going to use $55 worth? Not necessarily. So we're going to talk some deets now. This is your guide for pricing and also a summary of the products you could have gotten in your box. All right, our Juvia's Place Nubian palette is $20. Meet Addison's Bring Everywhere palette. Each of the super versatile shades can be worn anytime, anywhere, plus they're long lasting, so you don't need to worry about fading or fallout. I agree. They have a wonderful formula. Next up is our MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex for $143. Look, honey, this better take me to dinner and buy me a ring, okay? If y'all want to see, of course, it'll be a while because I'm still using that product. If y'all want to see me do a 30 days on this too and put it to the test, y'all let me know. Comment down below. Late nights and early mornings can wreak havoc on your under eye area, which is why this brightening eye cream is a staple in Addison's busy schedule. It helps strengthen the skin and capillaries around your eyes to help prevent dark circles and puffiness. I'm pretty sure she's a younger person. Again, I don't know who she is. I know she's TikTok famous or IG famous, something like that. But isn't she younger? Y'all let me know. I have no clue. Next up is our Act and Acre Plant-Based Dry Shampoo for $22. Finally, an all-natural dry shampoo that helps absorb excess oil and neutralize unwanted odors just as well as the conventional kinds. Next up is our Generation Skin Brightening Kakadu Plum Eye Patches for $49. I feel like that's a little bit pricey. These soothing eye patches are packed with Kakadu Plum, one of nature's most abundant sources of skin brightening vitamin C. I will say I do like them. I feel nice and plump. I mean, they're fine. They're nothing to write home about. Next up is our Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask for $18. I feel like that's a fair price point. My JOUER one, that's my holy grail, is about that price. This deeply moisturizing lip treatment has our planet's health in mind. It's made of 50% post-consumer recycled plastic and recycled paper. They could have given a little bit more information about the product, but I do appreciate that. Next up is our Item Beauty Lip Gloss Duo in Sun and Moon for $32. I feel like that's pretty fair. Most are around $14 to $18. Wear these glosses alone or layered over your favorite lipstick for an extra hit of universally flattering shine. I really love these. Love the components. It feels great on the lips, non-tacky. I really like these a lot. Next up is our Say Mascara, Mascara 101 in black for $24. This mascara checks all of Addison's important boxes when it comes to makeup. It's formulated with clean, good-for-you ingredients and comes in sustainable packaging. That's great. Oh, and it makes your lashes look amazing too. Duh. And then last in our box, we got the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream, $52. That's a little pricey. Your products should multitask as well as Addison does. It's the reason she loves this moisturizer. It can be used day and night to help deeply hydrate skin and smooth the look of fine lines and rough texture. And I, of course, will add everybody up and we'll put our total sum somewhere here on the screen. Sorry I couldn't test a whole lot for you guys. I was trying to wait on this box to add to my PR box, but this came so late in the month, I was like, let me go ahead and film the other one. So that one is coming for you guys. That's it, beauties. What did you think? Do you think we got our $55 worth? I think overall, well-curated box, and I'm not mad at it. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.